What's going on YouTube? I'm gonna make y'all a quick video today on how to fix your sunroof if it is creaking or rattling. This applies to not only Nissans, because I learned about this fix watching a 2017 Ford F-150 with the Panoroof making the same exact noise as my vehicle is making. So let me show y'all the noise it was making. That's kind of loud, but I think the rubber seals are in. And let me show you what it sounds like now that I put this stuff on there. Just venting it. Normal. And so your fix for that is going to be this RV rubber seal conditioner. It reduces friction and wear, water resistant, prevents cracking and fading, extends seal life. Also, I remember one time I was in a 2020, I believe, GLS 580, I believe that's what it was. And I could remember hearing the doors going over bumps, doors would rattle. So I bet this would have been the fix for that lady's vehicle. So what I did was I vented the sunroof, and I got a microfiber towel and sprayed it on the microfiber, and I went around the seal as best as I could, vented. And then I closed the venting and I opened it about halfway. And then, well, that's obviously more than halfway, but about halfway. And then with the microfiber, kind of squeezed it in there and went around the front edge of the seal. I didn't clean, this part, the black part, when this is out of the way, I didn't clean that yet. I probably should have. I was just in a rush that day. But that is going to be your fix. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to this channel, and peace out.